Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Dewalt 5Ah is probably one of the most sought-after power tool batteries on the market. Today, we're diving deep into this powerhouse, exploring its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. We'll cover everything from its runtime capabilities to its durability, giving you a comprehensive overview to help you decide if this is the right battery for your needs. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max XR5Ah Battery 2-Pack. Introducing the Dewalt 20V Max XR5Ah Battery 2-Pack. These batteries are designed to keep your tools running longer, so you can get the job done efficiently. With a 5Ah capacity, this battery delivers consistent runtime on the job site. It's built to handle tough jobs, providing the power you need when you need it. The LED indicator gives you quick visibility to the battery's state of charge. This helps you avoid interruptions and stay on schedule with your work. Weighing only 1.4 pounds, this battery is lightweight and easy to handle. It's also part of the 20V Max * system, making it compatible with your existing Dewalt 20V Max * tools and chargers. This product comes with a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring its quality and your satisfaction. You can trust this battery to perform and last. The package includes two DCB205 20V Max * 5Ah batteries. This gives you a spare, so you can always have a charged battery ready to go. What we like. This battery pack offers reliable runtime, ensuring you can tackle tough jobs without interruption. The LED fuel gauge provides quick visibility of the charge, so you know exactly when it's time to swap. If you're looking for a dependable power source that's also lightweight and compatible with your existing tools, this is a great choice. What people say. These are real Dewalt batteries, not some Chinese knockoff, and they perform quite well and give me what I would expect for runtime. I've put it through the ringer with my drill, circular saw, and impact driver, and it just keeps going. The extra runtime and performance are totally worth it. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max XR6Ah Battery 2-Pack. Introducing the Dewalt 20V Max XR Battery 2-Pack. This is a premium high-capacity battery pack designed for long-lasting performance. It's the perfect power solution for your cordless tools. Each battery delivers a 6Ah capacity, ensuring consistent runtime on the job site. This means you can work longer without needing to stop and recharge. Get the job done efficiently with these batteries. The 3 LED fuel gauge system provides immediate feedback on the state of charge. You can easily monitor the power level, so you always know when it's time to recharge. This feature helps you stay productive. These 20V Dewalt battery replacements are compatible with 20V Max * tools and chargers. It's a versatile addition to your existing Dewalt collection. This compatibility makes it a convenient choice. With no memory and virtually no self-discharge, it maximizes productivity. It also features a short charge time, only 60 minutes to charge. Plus, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. What we like. With a 6Ah capacity, this battery pack provides extended runtime for demanding tasks. The 3 LED fuel gauge keeps you informed about the charge status. If you need a battery that charges quickly and offers long-lasting power for your projects, this is the one for you. What people say. These high-capacity batteries last a long time, and they've made a noticeable difference with the tools I use most. They click into tools securely and don't loosen or wobble like cheaper batteries sometimes do. Lasts well over 4 hours on that, more probably, but I finished in that time. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max * XR 4.0Ah Battery 2-Pack. Introducing the Dewalt 20V Max * XR Battery 2-Pack. This pack provides reliable power for your tools. It's designed to keep you working efficiently on the job. These batteries offer a dependable runtime. Each battery provides 4.0Ah capacity, ensuring consistent performance throughout your tasks. You can rely on them to get the job done. Quickly check the battery's status with the LED indicator. This feature helps you avoid unexpected interruptions. It gives you a clear view of the remaining power. These batteries are fully compatible with the 20V Max * tools and chargers. This makes them a versatile addition to your existing Dewalt collection. They are easy to integrate into your current setup. The Dewalt 20V Max *XR Battery 2-Pack is built for durability and efficiency. They are designed to withstand the rigors of the job site. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. These batteries deliver consistent runtime, allowing you to power through your work efficiently. The LED indicator helps you monitor the charge level. If you value reliability and compatibility with your existing Dewalt tools, consider this option. What people say. The 4Ah seems to be the best balance between weight and longevity. The 4Ah batteries provide power much longer than my 1.X batteries, of course, so it is a time saver not having to go get another battery, or carry an extra one with me, while using my Dewalt leaf blower to clear the driveway and sidewalks after mowing. These 4Ah batteries are great. I get really good life out of them using them in the drill, impact driver, and circular saw. I've just built a pretty huge 9 feet by 8 feet shelving and workbench unit in my garage. From a full charge, I was able to build the whole thing without recharging. Number 2. Dewalt DCB205-2CK20V Max Battery Charging Kit. This is the Dewalt 20V Max Battery Charging Kit. It includes a charger and 2 batteries. This kit is designed to keep your tools powered up and ready to go. The kit comes with two 20V Max 5.0Ah XR batteries. These batteries provide up to 10 amp-hours of capacity, giving you plenty of runtime. They are built to last and deliver consistent power. The charger in this kit is versatile. It charges all 12V, 20V, and 60V max batteries at a 4 amp charge rate. This ensures that your batteries are charged quickly and efficiently. The kit also includes a soft bag for additional tool storage. This is a convenient way to keep your batteries and charger organized. It helps protect them from damage. The batteries come with a 3-year free service warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that you are covered. It ensures that you can rely on them for years to come. What we like. This kit includes two 5Ah batteries, providing ample power for your tools. It charges all 12V, 20V, and 60V max batteries at a 4 amp rate. If you need a complete charging solution with extra storage, this kit is a convenient and practical choice. What people say. These are excellent batteries for extended use. If I run my Dewalt XR weed trimmer on high speed, I get roughly 25 to 30 minutes on a full charge with these 20V max batteries. These batteries of 5Ah are the ones that offer us the best cost-benefit. I consider that it is the ideal size for a professional use tool. Number 1. Dewalt Powerstack 20V Max 5Ah Battery 2-Pack. This battery gives you 50% more power, so you can handle the toughest job with ease. It's designed to help you get more done. The battery is 50% more efficient, making it Dewalt's most efficient battery in its class. This means it uses energy wisely, helping you work longer. The non-marring overmolded rubber base protects surfaces. This design ensures that it can withstand the rigors of the job site. With a 2x lifespan, this battery provides more overall investment value. You can rely on it for extended use and lasting performance. Quickly check the state of charge with the 3 LED fuel gauge. It's easy to see how much power is left at a glance. This battery works with all Dewalt 20V Max * tools and chargers. It's a versatile addition to your existing Dewalt collection. What we like. This battery gives you 50% more power to tackle tough jobs. It's also more efficient, extending its lifespan. If you're looking for a battery that delivers maximum performance and durability, this is the ultimate upgrade for your Dewalt tools. What people say. More runtime. Besides the FlexVolt batteries, I've noticed a good difference in runtime between the 5Ah Powerstack and 5Ah XR battery. There is definitely more consistent power output in this battery, 1.7Ah included, than all the other XR batteries. The 5Ah has the grippy rubber base screwed on the bottom. I don't know why Dewalt refuses to do this on other batteries besides the Powerstack line, because it reduces the chance of marring whatever surface you place it on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.